Traders, welcome to this 2-in-1 video today. We're going to be talking about my institutional price prediction for Shiba Inu for 2022. So don't miss it if you want to have a very Shiba Christmas, like what I did there, right? But on a serious note, firstly, I do just want to wish you all a very happy Christmas and New Year. I really hope 2022 is a great year for you, for your family, and for your trading. Also, I just want to say thank you very much for supporting G7 and the channel. Got lots of stuff lined up for next year. Lots more live trading videos to come, day in the life videos, exclusive institutional insight videos, and of course, my weekly institutional Sundays. So if you're not subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Smash the subscribe button so you get my videos automatically. Right, so let's get on with my exclusive institutional Shiba Inu price prediction. Now, before I tell you where I think Shiba Inu is heading in 2022, it's worth mentioning that one of the main reasons I believe I've been successful in trading is because I tend to do the opposite to everyone else. For example, retail traders seem to be obsessed with random lines on their chart that belong in the dustbin or in kindergarten. Things like trend lines and random retracement lines that, let's be honest, any kid can draw. Why people think those things can make money is beyond me. I do the opposite. That's why I'm successful in this business. Now, when I worked in an investment bank, we did the opposite to everyone else, and that's why we made, quite frankly, bundles of cash. Now, why does that matter for my Shiba Inu price prediction? Well, everyone on YouTube is banging on about Shiba Inu being a great buying opportunity. No surprise, given we've had a big pullback recently. So everyone is touting this as a fantastic buying opportunity before it goes to the moon again. Now, my prediction for 2022 is the complete opposite. Like I said, following the crowd has never brought me or anyone else success, and I'm not about to change that now, especially not for a joke coin. This thing isn't going to the moon, it's going to the seabed, right? i.e., it's gonna collapse and fade into insignificance in 2022. So do yourself a massive favor, ignore the hype based on nothing more than delusions of grandeur, and stay well clear. Now, so far, I've just given you words, but as always, I like backing things up with facts. Now, granted, if you'd bought Shiba Inu at the start of the year, you'd be laughing all the way to the bank. But that's like me saying, if only I'd bought shares in Apple in 2002, imagine how much money I'd have now. It's crystal ball talk, right? Easy to say after the fact, but it's completely meaningless. What matters is Shiba is now around 70% off the highs, and anyone who bought it in the past few months is sitting on heavy losses, just praying for it to go up like it did before. So does the current collapse in Shiba Inu's price represent a buying opportunity? Is there a chance for another rally to the moon? Well, let's take a look at Dogecoin, as its story is probably the closest like-for-like comparison to give us some perspective. Dogecoin rocketed in price just like Shiba did, but then collapsed around 70%. Again, a similar decline to Shiba Inu. They both have similar market caps of around $20 billion. Now, recently, Dogecoin did rally a bit when Elon Musk said Dogecoin would be accepted as payment for certain items of merchandise before falling off again. And that's the problem. I talked about this in my last Shiba Inu video. To make money in these coins, you're relying on businesses accepting them as payment, but so far that simply isn't happening, right? And that's the problem Shiba Inu and Dogecoin have in common. Barely any business accept these coins as payment. So therefore, the evidence categorically confirms these coins are nothing more than vehicles for speculation. When these things are so volatile, they're not a sustainable way for businesses to accept money. Imagine receiving money for selling an item today, and tomorrow that money you receive is worth half. You can't run a business that way. So anyway, the point is, it may change in the future, but in the near term, no major business is going to accept Shiba for payment. Therefore, the intrinsic value of Shiba is virtually zero. So you're purely relying on it going up based on others willing to pay more for something intrinsically worth nothing. Complete bonkers. So in 2022, I expect Shiba Inu to go nowhere fast. In fact, it wouldn't surprise me to see it continually declining until it was worth virtually nothing. which would make sense as its intrinsic value is virtually nothing anyway. That's not to say crypto is bad. I have showed the more commercial cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin closely track major markets like the S&P 500. You may also find the next coin about to be hyped up, but that has already happened to Shiba. You know, it's had its day. Save yourself a lot of hassle and just move on. Now, to find out more about my views on crypto and my outlook for 2022 on markets, watch this video here. And to find out more about how institutions trade, watch this video here. If you found this information useful, don't forget to subscribe by clicking this button. Have a happy Christmas and New Year, and see you in 2022.